The unboxing experience immediately reinforces Aecooly Click 01's focus on portability and everyday convenience. The compact retail box contains the fan, a USB Type-C charging cable, a lanyard, the magnetic attachment system, and a user manual, all neatly arranged and well protected. Upon first handling the device, its miniature size becomes the standout feature. Click 01 feels more like a wearable accessory than a traditional portable fan, making an excellent first impression for users seeking lightweight personal cooling. The industrial design of the Aecooly Click 01 is one of its standout qualities. It combines practicality with a clean, modern aesthetic. Its soft beige finish, rounded edges, and compact form factor give it a premium and approachable look, while the construction feels surprisingly solid and durable despite the lightweight design. The integrated digital display is a welcome addition, providing clear battery information instead of relying on basic LED indicators. Discreet, comfortable, and stylish, this fan blends naturally into everyday activities, whether commuting, shopping, walking outdoors, or attending events. Battery life is another strength of the Aecooly Click 01. Its 2,000 milliampere hour battery delivers up to 10 hours of runtime on the lowest setting, making it suitable for a full workday or extended travel. Medium and high speeds provide shorter but still practical operating times for daily use and outdoor activities. Charging is handled via USB Type-C and takes around 2.5 hours, allowing users to conveniently recharge with the same cables used for most modern devices. Performance is where this fan truly impresses. Despite its compact size, the 7,000 revolutions per minute motor generates strong, focused airflow that feels more powerful than expected. Rather than dispersing air widely, it directs a concentrated stream toward the face and neck, making it highly effective during outdoor activities and daily commutes. 3 speed settings provide flexibility, with the lowest mode suited for indoor use, the middle setting offering the best balance of cooling and battery life, and the highest mode delivering surprisingly powerful airflow for hot summer days. The Aecooly Mini Portable Neck Fan proves that effective personal cooling can come in a remarkably compact package. Combining strong airflow, excellent portability, a secure magnetic attachment system, and solid battery life, it delivers a practical and comfortable everyday experience. More than a novelty gadget, it is a well-designed wearable fan that fits naturally into daily life, making it an easy recommendation for commuters, travelers, students, and anyone looking for discreet cooling during warmer months.